ElimuTab, Kenya's #1 educational tablets, offer a comprehensive e-learning platform tailored to various curricula such as CBC, Cambridge, Montessori, and 844. With a focus on parental control, ElimuTab ensures a secure, safe environment, allowing parents to manage app access and set usage limits. Covering diverse subjects such as math, science, history, and language arts, the tablets provide interactive games, videos, and quizzes, making learning engaging and effective. ElimuTab is empowering Kenyan students between the ages of 1 to 17 and schools with quality education. Through these tablets, children are experiencing safe, fun, and effective learning, unlocking their potential and shaping a brighter future.